century school is computer-like reaction or critical thinking?
Hello everyone, my name is Patricija Skibaitė and my speech for today is: what is the aim of the 21st century school? Computer-like reaction or critical thinking? Standard skill thinking empowers. Now, can I ask you all a super simple question? How much is 2 multiplied by 2? Right, sure, that is correct. And how about 6 multiplied by 7? Right, correct again. And how about 8 multiplied by 9? Perfect. Now let me give you a more challenging question. How much is 87 multiplied by 72? More difficult, right? Unless you can use your calculator or your smartphone. Even if you can count without mistakes, you will never reach the speed of your computer. I know that some people are highly skilled in mental arithmetic, but even they have their limits. Today, when artificial intelligence is about to rule the world, what is the role of us, human beings, in this fast-moving, technology-powered world? I guess anybody with a sane mind understands that trying to beat a computer has no sense at all. However fast you are, sooner or later you will lose your battle against some machine. Nevertheless, the ones who still rule our world are humans, not computers. Why? Because humans are still able to think on their own. Because humans are still able to think creatively instead of being programmed by somebody. Because humans are still able to think critically, analyze, raise questions, and hesitate, agree and disagree. Here is the mental power of human thinking. Sounds pretty logical, right? And who could argue with the fact that technically humans will always lose against the computer? And who could argue with the fact that creative and analytical thinking of a human being is the main strength that we possess? So then why do our modern, progressive, technologically equipped schools force students to cram things by heart and complete tasks in a few minutes or even seconds without thinking or analyzing them? Let me give you a couple of examples. Let's take this year's math standardized test for 8th formers. The test consisted of 45 tasks, and students were given 60 minutes, which means each task was supposed to be solved in no more than 1 minute and 20 seconds. Can you imagine? Less than 2 minutes for each task. In this case, no time for looking through your work once again is left. 11 formers were much luckier to get 15 tasks in 45 minutes, which means 3 minutes for each task. Lucky, aren't they? The massive 3 minutes. As if that can change the very fact that students are forced to rush and fill in the answers without any creative thinking or critical analysis. I would expect that students should be taught to solve problems instead of automatically place ticks in boxes. Unfortunately, that seems outdated nowadays as there is no time for thinking left. Sadly, math isn't the only field at school where automatism is being encouraged. Lithuanian essays have to be written following strict standards where personal insights or creativity are never welcome. Students are limited not only by time, but also by artificially imposed rules and requirements. I can also mention many other subjects where students are forced to cram thousands of facts by heart and complete tasks in a few minutes or even seconds without analyzing them and getting a broader outlook on the whole situation. You can pretty much get the impression that the less students think, the better, or the more computer-like they are, the better is the outcome. I strongly believe that our future relies on creatively and analytical thinking human beings, but not on automated computers. Our future belongs to those who ask questions, who hesitate, who disagree, to those who are not afraid of making mistakes, to those who will create something new and unexpected, to those who will spend hours, weeks, or even years trying to prove a theorem which hasn't been proven for centuries. I strongly believe that our future relies to those who will stand up and say stop to this mechanical and conservative school which is trying to reduce a student to a mere computer. Thank you.